Hey guys, so I am going out with some friends for a birthday tonight and I'm going to do a semi-natural, but we'll see. Anyway, so today I had a wedding this morning and I want to show you a picture of my bride. She is so gorgeous. Can we just look at that and appreciate? Can you even see that? She's so pretty. Oh my God. Another thing that I did today.
So I literally just put my old hair extensions in for shits and gigs, and holy crap, as if I used to put this in all the time. I'm so boiling right now. Oh my God, so much heat and so much hair. They need to be chopped. They're like ratty.
Don't know if I should bring the hair extensions back or not. They were super ratty. They needed a super chop. Anyways, let's get straight into it because I've been blabbing on for ages. So I ordered these like ages ago and I just haven't had a chance to use them. Aria Cosmetics, this is the palette I'm gonna use today. So pretty. They also have this. Don't know how they last, but we'll soon find out. What I'm gonna use first is this burnt orangey color. Obviously everyone knows that's my favorite. So we went from not natural to full glam as per usual. I'm just putting it through that crease and then blending it up. Anyway, so as I was saying, the hair extensions, I don't know how I feel about hair extensions anymore. Like I used to froth them, and after looking at like the Kardashians' hair extensions, they're just so good. Like mine look terrible. I'm like, and I don't want to have them in all the time because it's just too hot for me. So I'm like, so now I've like changed my view, but I used to love them. I used to wear them every weekend when I was younger. So I really love these Aria shadows. They're like quite pigmented and they go on really smooth. I'm gonna use this brown color just here. I'm using like a smaller brush so it gets into my socket more. So I wanted to have like that dark in and out and then like a pop of color in the middle. I was looking at Holly. Let me show you who I mean. She's so amazing. I literally just found her today and I was like, how did I not know about this person? Like look at this makeup. Holly Boone, so amazing. So amazing. She's like super extra style. Like she's phenomenal. I just looked through her whole page. I was like looking through it for half an hour. I'm like, oh my God. And I've just lost track of the time. Okay, so I've put a little bit of brown in here, a little bit of brown there, a little bit there, a little bit there, and blended some through the socket. Now, what I'm gonna do before the glitter is pop a little bit of concealer in the middle. Oh my God, so much concentration. There, and make it even. Oh my God, a sunrise! What is my mood today? What I'm gonna do is just pop some of the white sand, actually Golden Dawn, on this little bit here in the middle. Then what I'm gonna have to do is grab that little brush and blend in the color. I'm gonna grab, I like the more golden glitter, and put it on with my finger. I'm actually so excited. Pretty. Okay, so I put my liner and lashes on and now I'm going to hydrate. So I'm going for the full glow today, as I always do. You know, Tatcha is my favorite. Yet to find another oil bar Tatcha in for Sally that I love. What the hell is that? That is so annoying. It's like tickling my face. Okay, Hey, devil horn, bye. God, I'm so weird, but whatever. I don't care. See how you get like all that radiance? Amazing. And on my dry lips. Beautiful. That is actually the coolest eye ever. I love orange. Like, I love orange and gold. So my favorite. For Rep and Prime, I just like to pair the same primers with the same foundation. Because I use the MAC Studio Fix, I like to use the primer. Because one time I used like the opposites and it split, and I was like, oh, meaning not split, like separates, repels, split, all of those words, whichever word you are comfortable with. You're using the MAC Studio Fix as always. Yes, look at that coverage. One side, no fat. What's that sideburn? That needs to go. Oh, and it's just so like luminous and glowy with the Tatcha. The Tatcha just makes my face. I'm gonna use the Shape Tape. Keeping this glowy look going. Ow, I just closed my hand in the lid. Oh my God, how dumb can you get? Pretty done, that's for sure. I wasn't gonna share this baking part of my video, but I just wanted to share this bit. I saw the girl that I was talking about before, Holly Boone. She goes like this with her face, ready? I know that is so weird, but it makes sense. So these lines in your cheeks, if you grab your beauty blender and your setting powder, you push out the lines with air in your mouth and you set them. So I'm gonna see if this like works, because this will be like a new thing that I do with my face, because I always get these smile lines and never set to the way that I want them to be set. So we'll see if this actually really works. I don't know if that's why she does it. I was just watching lots of her videos and like flicking through them and flicking through her like short videos, but I'm pretty sure that would be why. But I will come back in my next video, and if you see me do it next time, you'll know why. I'm gonna snatch my nose with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I just feel like there's clear stuff on this pack, but it's not. It's just really like bubbly. And my JD Weighty brush is the best. So I edited my nose the other day in this photo. I didn't put it up, it's on my phone, and I was like so amazed at how much a nose job could like change your face. I'm not getting my nose done, but it just was like the pushy tool. I want to show you, it's just crazy. Yay, my nose is skinny. Okay, don't tuck your hair behind your ears, gross. Okay, my part is just not working for me. I'm just gonna tuck one ear. Okay. Do you wanna see this photo? It is insane. I literally just use the reshape tool and push my nose up. Where is it? Okay, this is crazy, the before and the after. But it looks a bit silly. Sorry, I was looking down at the phone, but it looks slightly silly. Like my chin is too big. I have like a big chin and a big nose. So if I got a small nose, my chin would be like so big. But have a look at this. What the? I don't know if you can see the difference. It's like tiny, but major. Contour my cheeks as well with the powder. And I'm feeling like I look very wide in the chin. So I'm just gonna put some contour coming up to slim my jawline. And just putting it a little bit up onto my cheek here, because I feel like this part is sticking out. And grabbing a small brush and using all the same colors that I use on top of my eye under. In the middle underneath, I'm gonna pop that same glow and then the glitter. I don't know how I feel about having dark on that inner part of my eye. I'm not usually used to that, so I might put lighter in there, but just because that's what I'm used to and that's what I like. I'm going to use a brush this time to get that bit under my eye. Oops. Okay, so just my favorite blush at the moment, the Anastasia blush. I always smile a bit just to get it on the apples of my cheeks. They always say like, oh, the apples of your cheeks are outdated, blah, blah, blah. My cheeks are so dark. I mean, my hair is so dark that I feel like I look like an alien without something at the front of my cheeks, but it's up to everyone else, like up to everyone's personal opinion. If you want to have your blush like near your highlight, sort of like that Neapolitan ice cream, you know? That's my favorite. Anyway, I'm gonna put my lip on off camera and then we're done. Okay, so we're all done. Thank the Lord. Loving the new Aria. Beautiful. Oh well. So, hope you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.